You can use this graphic organizer to organize your letter to the editor. So for example, you could write in here, since you have the salutation, so you could write here, to the editor. Then this first paragraph is going to be your introduction. So think of the ideas you'd like to say here, or you'd like to express here. So for example, I'm writing in reference to the article published on the 19th of March on CCTV cameras, for example. What I would like you to write in here is number 1, so what you are writing in reference to, and then your thesis statement. What I would like you to write here is what your contention is, what is the main point you want to make. And what you can write in here, when you find these speech bubbles, I would like you to think of the linking words you're going to use to join ideas within the paragraph, or maybe to start the paragraph. And what I would like you to write in here would be interesting, relevant language, grammar structures and vocabulary you may use here that's going to somehow impress the reader, or which is related to the topic in hand. So the same could go for the second paragraph, because you're going to start giving your arguments here. So think of the ideas you're going to mention, think of the linking words you're going to use to relate this paragraph to the paragraph above. You could say something like "to begin with," for example, or think of how you're going to join these ideas. And then, as I said, think of relevant keywords, vocabulary, grammar structures you're going to use in here. So the same could apply to the rest of paragraphs. And then when you reach your conclusion, again, think of the linking words. To sum up, in conclusion, as I have tried to, say this, as I have tried to argue, and then some wow language of it all. Then finally you have the closing line, which would probably be yours faithfully, and then your name.